When your SuperBox S6 Pro won't turn on or display video, we need to systematically check the power and display connections. Let's start with the most common power issues. First, check all power connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into both the SuperBox and the wall outlet. If you're using a surge protector, try plugging directly into the wall to rule out power strip issues. If the device still won't power on, bypass any surge protectors and connect directly to the wall outlet. You can also test with a different power adapter if you have one available to rule out adapter failure. If power issues are resolved but you're still not getting video, the problem is likely with the display connection. Let's check the HDMI setup. For display issues, start by checking the HDMI cable connections. The SuperBox has an HDMI output port that needs to connect securely to your TV's HDMI input port. If connections look secure but you still have no display, try connecting to a different HDMI port on your TV. Also, test with a different HDMI cable to rule out cable failure. Here's what the connection looks like on the TV side. Make sure you're connecting to an active HDMI port and note which port number you're using. Even with proper connections, you need to select the correct input source on your TV. Use your TV remote to access the input menu and select the HDMI port where your SuperBox is connected. If you've checked all power connections, HDMI cables, and input selection but still have issues, the problem may be with the device boot process or remote control, which we'll cover in the next section. When your SuperBox S6 Pro has boot problems or remote control issues, there are specific troubleshooting steps that can resolve these common problems. For boot problems like being stuck in a boot loop, start with a soft reset. Unplug your SuperBox S6 Pro from power, wait exactly 5 minutes, then plug it back in. If the soft reset doesn't work, perform a factory reset using your remote control. Point the remote at the device and press the period button followed by 000 5 times in a row. Now let's address remote control issues. The most common problems are dead batteries and lost pairing between the remote and device. First, check the batteries in your remote. Remove the old batteries, wait 30 seconds, then insert fresh batteries. This simple step resolves many remote issues. If new batteries don't solve the problem, repair your remote with the SuperBox. Press the microphone button to access pairing mode, then hold the OK and return buttons together for 8 seconds. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your boot or remote issues, contact SuperBox support for professional assistance. They can provide device-specific guidance and warranty support.